Here's a recipe for aging slowly. Chayote, callaloo, and cucumber salad with a refreshing citrus dressing. Perfect for maintaining youthful energy and skin health. Chayote, callaloo, and cucumber salad. Ingredients: 1 medium chayote squash, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. 1 bunch of callaloo, also known as amaranth greens, with stems removed and leaves chopped. 1 medium cucumber, thinly sliced. 1 small red onion, thinly sliced. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or lime juice. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. Freshly ground black pepper for taste. Half a teaspoon of honey, which is optional for balance. And fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish, also optional. Directions: prepare the ingredients. Peel and thinly slice the chayote squash, removing the core. Thinly slice the cucumber, keeping the skin on for added fibre. Set both aside. Wash and chop the callaloo, or amaranth greens, into bite-sized pieces. Blanch the callaloo. In a large pot of boiling water, blanch the callaloo for 1 to 2 minutes until just tender but still bright green. Drain immediately and submerge in an ice bath to stop cooking. Drain again and pat dry. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, apple cider vinegar or lime juice, lemon juice, minced garlic, honey if using, sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Adjust the seasoning to taste. Assemble the salad. In a large salad bowl, combine the sliced chayote, cucumber, blanched callaloo and red onion. Drizzle the citrus dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients. Garnish and serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley if desired. Serve immediately or chill in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Some nutritional benefits. Chayote provides hydration, fiber, and essential nutrients like folate, promoting healthy aging and supporting heart health. Callaloo is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, iron, and antioxidants, which boost immunity, promote strong bones, and reduce inflammation. Cucumber is high in water and antioxidants, contributing to hydration, skin health, and reducing signs of aging. Why it's ageless. This recipe brings together ingredients that are high in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and hydration. These help to boost skin health and reduce signs of aging with vitamin C, antioxidants, and hydration from cucumber and chayote. Promote heart health through fiber, potassium, and magnesium, which are abundant in chayote and callaloo. Improve digestion and gut health with fiber from all 3 ingredients, aiding in nutrient absorption and promoting healthy aging. This light yet nutrient-dense salad is the perfect meal to support vitality and well-being at any age. Cucumbers offer several health benefits that make them a great addition to your diet. Here are some reasons why you should consider eating cucumbers. First, hydration. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, which helps keep you hydrated. They contribute to your daily water intake. Second, they are low in calories. Cucumbers are very low in calories, making them a great option if you're looking to manage your weight. You can eat cucumbers freely without consuming many calories. Next, cucumbers are rich in nutrients. They provide important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost the immune system and skin health, and potassium, important for heart health and proper muscle function. Cucumbers also promote digestive health. They are a good source of fiber, especially in the peel, which promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. They also contain water, which aids in digestion. Another benefit is their antioxidant properties. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which help fight free radicals in your body. This reduces oxidative stress and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Cucumbers support heart health too. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in cucumbers help maintain a healthy heart. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber can reduce cholesterol levels. For skin health, the hydration and antioxidant properties of cucumbers are beneficial. Applying cucumber slices to the skin or consuming them may help reduce puffiness, irritation, and improve overall skin health. Cucumbers can also aid in weight loss. Due to their high water content and low calorie count, cucumbers can be a great snack to help with weight loss. They fill you up without adding many calories. Lastly, cucumbers may help lower blood sugar. Some studies suggest that cucumbers may help reduce blood sugar levels and prevent complications associated with diabetes, though more research is needed in this area. Chayote squash, also known as vegetable pear or mirliton, is a versatile and nutritious food that offers several health benefits. Here's why you might want to include chayote squash in your diet. First, it is low in calories. Chayote is very low in calories, making it an excellent choice for weight management. A single serving, around 100 grams, contains only about 19 calories. Chayote is also rich in fiber. It supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also helps with weight loss by providing a feeling of fullness. Next, chayote is high in nutrients. It contains several important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and improve skin health. Folate, crucial for pregnant women as it aids in fetal development. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. And potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. Chayote also has antioxidant properties. Like cucumbers, chayote squash contains antioxidants that help combat free radicals. These antioxidants may lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. It supports heart health too. Chayote's potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out sodium. Its fiber also plays a role in reducing cholesterol levels. For blood sugar regulation, chayote has a low glycemic index. This makes it a good choice for people managing diabetes. Additionally, its fiber content helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Chayote promotes healthy aging as well. It contains antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which can slow the aging process. Some studies suggest it may improve skin health and cognitive function as you age. It aids in bone health too. The vitamin K, magnesium, and folate in chayote are important for bone health. Vitamin K is particularly important for bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Chayote also helps with hydration. It is composed of about 90% water, which can help keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy skin, digestion, and overall body function. Finally, chayote is versatile in cooking. It has a mild flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes. You can eat it raw in salads, saute it, roast it, or use it in soups and stews. Its texture holds up well to cooking, and it absorbs the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with. Amaranth greens, often called Callaloo in Jamaica and other parts of the Caribbean, are a highly nutritious and versatile leafy green. They are popular in Caribbean, African, and Asian cuisines. Here are several health benefits of amaranth greens, or Jamaican Callaloo, and reasons to include them in your diet. First, they are rich in vitamins. Amaranth greens are loaded with essential vitamins, including vitamin A, which supports eye health, skin health, and immune function. Vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant, helping to strengthen the immune system and improve skin health. And vitamin K, important for blood clotting and maintaining bone health. Amaranth greens are also high in minerals. They are a good source of several key minerals, including iron, important for the production of hemoglobin and helps prevent anemia. Calcium, which promotes strong bones and teeth, and is essential for muscle function and nerve transmission. Magnesium, which helps maintain muscle and nerve function, supports a healthy immune system, and regulates blood pressure. And potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels and supports heart health. Next, they are rich in protein. Compared to many other leafy greens, amaranth greens are relatively high in protein. This makes them a good addition to a plant-based diet or as a supplement to meet daily protein needs. Amaranth greens are also high in fiber. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by preventing constipation and encouraging regular bowel movements. Fiber also helps to reduce cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and promote feelings of fullness, which may aid in weight management. They also have antioxidant properties. Amaranth greens contain antioxidants like carotenoids, such as lutein and beta-carotene, which protect your cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Amaranth greens support heart health too. The combination of fiber, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants in amaranth greens supports cardiovascular health by helping to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and protect against oxidative damage to blood vessels. Another benefit is that they are gluten-free. Amaranth, both as a grain and as greens, is naturally gluten-free. This makes it a great option for people with celiac disease or those following a gluten-free diet. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. Amaranth greens contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Finally, amaranth greens are versatile in cooking. They can be steamed, sautéed, added to soups, or used in stews and stir-fries. Their mild flavor pairs well with a variety of spices and ingredients, making them a staple in many dishes. Amaranth greens, or Jamaican Callaloo, are a nutrient-dense superfood that supports overall health. They provide a rich source of vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber, while offering antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Including them in your diet can benefit heart health, digestive health, and bone health, and support immune function and eye health.